Hey guys, RR Expert here. Let's do some trading today. Let me show you some trades that I do based on the things that I'm outlining on the channel. And you're not just gonna learn this from watching the videos. Like, you have to be part of what I'm doing in the Discord. And you have to be part of the mentorship, which is free. I'm doing these mentorships in groups. And basically, what I'm trying to teach you is to do these very high probability scalps. When to do them, how to do them. And again, you're not gonna learn this stuff by just looking at the videos. So you have to be like part of a conversation. So just join the group and wait for your turn and join the calls. I'm trying to do them once a week on Monday. And see for yourself, the evidence is in the videos, and the knowledge and the process is in the mentorship. Okay, so let's see if we can do another one. You can see the spread is not really good today, I don't know. I'm not seeing anything special on the calendar, There's a red folder, but it's going to be, I think, around 9:45 or something. Let me look. Yeah, 9:45. So I don't know why. It even says here, the spread is not really that bad, but again, it's just for educational purposes, So I'm going to look for these areas here. Let's see if the price wants to go down or it wants to go up, if it wants to go down, by maybe not make a big candle like this one, but maybe one that comes here, I might go short, for a scalp. So I'm not saying the price is going to come here or here. So here again, normally this doesn't happen on NQ, but sometimes we just have to accept the fact that trading is going to be like this. Hopefully there's going to be more volume in like a few minutes, and see if we can do some better or get some better entries, regardless of what it says here. So the reason I'm not going to delve into the models again is because it's just going to confuse you. I've made a few videos on my model. You can go and watch them. But if you've been watching some of my videos, my core teachings is that you don't have to let go of your model. I can help you perfect your model, because eventually it all comes down to one thing, that's risk management. If you're new, I'm also watching at this, so I'm trying to look for, I don't know, maybe support resistance, but I don't know. This could mean anything, but I'm just trying to look where there might be resistance for the price to do a confirmation. And my confirmation is like an impulsive candle going up, and I just enter. So going up or down, so I'm not saying I'm only looking for longs. Let's see if around 8 o'clock there's going to be better or more volume, so that we can do better entries, For example, here, because this is happening, you're not going to have good entries, So also you're going to have things like this. You don't want this. These I'm not talking about the money, because you're always risking the same amount, but this is just going to increase the risk. Yeah. Also, then why are you making this video now? Well, because I have an appointment later, so I just want to show you some consistency in these videos. Like you can do this every day if you just follow the rules, and you're not FOMOing, you're not YOLOing, you're not changing your risk management. Yeah. So again, here it doesn't up move, and I'm just gonna wait if it does. I'm just looking at the price, live. I'm not predicting. I'm saying, okay, wait a minute. If the price does want to go down with a strong candle, I'm just going to enter. That's what I'm constantly doing here. Not thinking about, oh, it grabbed something. Oh no, wait, it grabbed buy side. Oh, it grabbed sell side. Oh, it grabbed this. Oh, it grabbed this. And then show you a video in replay mode and say, oh, it took this sell side here. That's why it's going up. It's all bullshit. None of this stuff works, and none of you guys have shown proof that it works. You can see here, right? All my trades have been very high probability, but I'm just scalping. I'm scalping because I just rather scalp 20, 30 and do 20 of these a day than, hoping it's going to hit my target. And you're right. If it's going to go to my stop loss, it's going to be a big stop loss. But if you're doing 20 trades and you have maybe 2 losses and 18 micro scalps, you're going to be in profit, man. I've shown you this in many videos. So it's approaching the hourly close and open. So I'm looking at this now. Also, if you've been watching my videos, I love looking at the 4 hour. I don't know. I think the 4 hours says a lot about, or it says a lot for me when it comes to what I'm doing here. But I had to open because this candle is going to close, and then I'm going to watch what the candle want to do and maybe participate in a few scalps. So even if you go to the lower time frames, if you look at what's happening here, so these 3 candles, yeah, so including this big, so I'm not going to just say, oh, it's going to ram through this. I'm just looking at this. Is there maybe a move up here? Yeah, and not this entire move, but just a small scalp. Because if you're doing what I'm doing, often this is what happens. So the price comes here, goes up, and then you could have done a scalp here. But you want a runner, you want to be the big guy, you want to take risk, and then suddenly the price is going to do this. So I'm advocating for you to just grab something here, instead of gambling the price going up here. That's what I'm advocating. I'm not saying you cannot do this, what you're seeing here. That is not what I'm saying. But I'm just sharing my experience, My experience is that price... Wait, let me remove this. My experience is that the price comes here, and then suddenly comes and attacks your stop loss. And it's very frustrating, I think most of you people know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully there's going to be a bit more better candles than this. Let me see. Yeah, so I wanted to enter for the short, but it's not like really giving me the... Also, we have this wick here, so this is a contradiction for how I'm trading. I don't want this wick here, because if you've been watching my videos, wicks tell me something that price might want to go up. So this is not a good sign for me to go short here. But let's see if it makes a retracement down and then wants to make an up move again. Maybe with a candle like this. And also understand the logic. Yeah? So I have extended this yellow line, and you're seeing it coming here in the halfway. This has nothing to do with this. The algorithmic and all this garbage. I can draw any line. I can extend any line. Doesn't mean anything. But just listen to what I'm saying. We have 3 candles here. Bodies. The bodies are close, clustered to each other. Think about this. I'm not a fan of backtesting, because backtesting doesn't say anything about trading. But do this live, and see maybe, hey, the price want to go up here for a scalp. And you're going to see often it does, And these are very simple concepts. You're not overcomplicating things with thinking there's some kind of guy who coded the algorithm, stuff like that. So let's see here. Let's see. So because I'm talking, the entry is going to be garbage. And this is what often happens. You see these small wicks, even here, they're very small wicks, even on the hourly candle. If you understand this concept, that the candle wants to open, it creates a wick, it creates a down wick. I mean, if there is something, that ICT is right about, it's what he calls the power of 3. But this is not something he invented. This has been in the game for over 30 years, maybe even longer, So just just look at the facts. We're seeing this with our own eyes. And sometimes you do have bigger wicks. Yeah, sometimes you have this. But I'm not saying go trade every candle. Try to use confluences. I've talked about them many times on the channel. Yeah. So don't overcomplicate things. Just look at the facts, and the facts are the things that you're seeing. Also, there is nothing wrong with doing one trade a day. I keep emphasizing this. This, what I'm doing, is not something you're just going to learn in a day. If you're not accepting the fact that what I'm doing here is going to take at least maybe 4 or 5 years, because most of you guys maybe go to school, good. Don't stop going to school, guys. I see so many youngsters trying to be this 16-year-old making 15K a day, trading. This is bullshit. This doesn't work. Yeah. Go to school. I know that some of you work. Trading is not a full-time job. This is nonsense. Yeah. Nobody has ever proven, at least not on social media, that they're a full-time trader. Yeah? If you believe this shit, with all due respect, man, you're stupid, man. Or you have to reflect. Yeah. Don't believe in this nonsense. Try to do one good trade a day. Yeah. Using everything that I'm outlining on this channel, do one trade a day, and you're gonna see, even with paper trading. Sorry, I have to say it's paper trading because of legal reasons. You're gonna see, if you do this, even at the end of the month, you're gonna have less stress, less worry, because you have income, or you're going to school. You'll always have this safe haven, You can always fall back on something else. If you're going to put all your eggs in one basket and just going to say, I'm going to become a full-time trader, it doesn't exist, man. And again, I'm challenging everyone on the internet, on social media, everyone who is selling courses, doing these fake mentorships. Trust me, I have commented on 50 of these channels. I've said, I'm going to give you 10,000. Just show me through a live trading like I'm doing here. I'm going to give you 10,000. Nobody's doing it. Some even are reacting to it, but nobody's showing the proof. It doesn't exist, guys. I want to emphasize this. So sometimes I'm of the belief that it is going to leave an area, and so this is what I'm then doing. Because eventually, when price kind of consolidates, it does want to leave the area. What am I looking at? So I'm seeing, for example, here, this candle is very strong. It just keeps going down. This is one thing. The previous candle has been a black candle. This candle is not attacking this candle. We also were seeing here one strong candle going down. Here also the previous candle is a black candle. So I'm just looking at the simple stuff, not trying to say, okay, what's the time? See, very high probability setup just by looking to these kinds of things. And this is what I try to explain to you guys, because some of you people, you tell me, yeah, what should I be looking at? It depends on what is going on that day. Yeah. There is no 2022 model. Oh, let me open the charts. Let me look and see. Oh, it's 8:30. Oh, midnight open. It doesn't work like this, guys. Yeah, I don't know how much proof I need to show you, but it's the simple things, that make you able to do these things. But again, I don't want to give lectures. I'm gonna stop convincing you guys, but it's like a dilemma, because I'm seeing these youngsters ruining their lives with We're thinking that there is some kind of secret to trading. No, man, this is really difficult, man. What we're doing here is really difficult. So next, what I'm saying, live, you have to look live. So what am I looking at? Well, obviously, I'm looking at this area here. I want to see what the price is going to do in this area. Yeah. It doesn't matter what you call it, supply, demand. It doesn't matter. Just use your eyes. So what's the next bus stop? Well, I think there's going to happen something here. Yeah. So let's see. Let's enlarge this. Yeah, there's no reason for me, to grab this stuff. It's obvious, that what we're looking at. Not the strongest, but again, it is coming in these areas. So I'm just going to show you because we're not only going to talk here, we're also going to enter and do trades. Okay, guys, I'm not going to bother you longer. I just want to show some evidence, and you're not going to learn this from these videos. I want to emphasize this. You have to have like a mentor, or coach. And again, trust me when I say that most of you guys already have a model, but you don't understand risk management and you don't understand psychology. I even have people who do trend lines. Yeah, they do trend lines. I even have people who said they were doing trend lines and then they started doing ICT, and now they're back doing trend lines because they had more wins when doing trend lines. Yeah, so just do whatever you want. Join the Discord. Trust me. Yeah, trust me. I'm not saying trust me you're gonna make money. I'm never making this claim, but I can help you develop your model. And I can help you come to conclusions, and the conclusion can be, I'm going to stop trading. Guys, I wish you a good day and a good weekend. Bye-bye.